Oh, brother. Have you ever said that? In Psalm 133 in the Bible, in an older version, it says, "How good and pleasant it is when brothers live together in unity." Oh, brother. A better translation is, "How good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity." I'm Pastor Andy Ross of Northminster Presbyterian Church in Tucson, Arizona, and in today's midweek moment, I want you to think about the people God wants to put in your life who are like a brother or a sister to you. Now, brothers and sisters can make you say, "Oh, brother." I have a remarkable brother, and to this day we are fast and famous. The memories we've shared, the laughs we share, and all that he means to me, I'm so proud. But when we were young, we'd go at it. We'd tease and torment each other. There was one time where I purposefully loaded his pipe tobacco with gunpowder and got in big trouble. But today we cherish our relationship, and both of us as disciples of Christ cherish the relationships we have with others in the family of God. It's what church is all about. My life has been blessed by sisters and brothers of the faith who have put up with me, prayed for me, cared for me, and taught me so much. It's what church is all about. In the middle of this week, friends, stop and thank God for those who care for you, love you, sacrifice for you, and always be seeking and praying for the ways you can be a sister or brother of God's peace to someone else. Psalm 133 ends with God saying it's there in the unity of God's people caring and living together that the Lord bestows his blessing. May God add his blessing to you today. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in church.